Tak nampak.
First step.
Okay, first step.
Okay.
Thanks. This is part 2 of the video taking. So, tertekan jadi dia mati. On the same time, the same day, continuing the video taking of this project. We are on the level 2. Level 2 now. The work of walling is almost there. Only plastering.
From the drawing lah.
Assalamualaikum.
Tapi kita mau lay kan, kapet kan?
Dia macam kapet.
Ambil tembak.
So expecting the bollards for the lighting of the landscape.
Sayang sini satu bilik.
Kedai.
Masih boleh buat lagi.
Masa ada lagi. Intai lah bajet. Intai bajet. Intai bajet boleh.
Aku nak letak
Dia pening kepala.
dapatkan view yang cantik.
Kios.
Tapi ni view ni okey as long as the landscape is retained.
Kafe ni kat mana?
Landscape keluar habis.
Kafe kat mana?
Kafe dia sini.
Ini okey lah dia government dia mungkin kat sini
Kedai jual apa?
We are thinking about optimizing the area fruitfully and effectively and beautifully.
Ya, photo state.
It's normal towards the ending of the project, finishing the project. It's normal. Many ideas come. Many new ideas come because you have seen the building has been built, and we see where the places where we can put some more rooms.
Dia kalau dia pakai cantik jalan.
So exploring the ini kedai cafeteria Oh, good cafeteria. Good view.
okey ah. Itu open view lah.
Okey lah. Point pun lah. Ini rekod.
Ada kerja lagi. Kerja kelas. Ada walk.
This is the main library on the right hand side. This is level 2 of the building. This is Lenggok Cendekia. Goes to the part where the bus can depart. And on the left is Lenggok Elmo. Besaran Elmo. They keep changing the names. Yes, in front of us now is the Faculty of Education. And consultants involved is of course the Architect Rekabena of Malaysia in collaboration with Biagado Architecture of Rome from Italy for the architectural, and CNS Civil and Structural Engineers, ML Consultancy Service of Malaysia, and MNE Engineers, Mechanical Electrical Engineers is JBT Engineers, and of course QS is very important. Is consultancy is FRS. Cost FRS.
Features yang walak tu.
Itu you discuss lah. Discuss.
Masuk street lah. Masuk street. Dia ada high order. Ada.
Senyum kena ikhlas masuk dalam video ni semua. Ridwan, senyum ikhlas. Masuk dalam video. Separuh.
One foot up lah. One foot up. On the finish level. One foot up. On the finish level. Spindle wall. Ya, spindle wall. Ada dua kita boleh lepas.
Let them discuss among themselves or just take the photograph. I still set the video. Don't need to disturb their discussion. Whatever the outcome of the meeting now will be tabled in the table meeting, and then they take their conclusion from that and they proceed with the works.
Itu memang tinggi kan?
Ada kita mahu order betul.
Dia dalam kos
Biasa dulu dia tempatkan dinding. So dia siapa nama ni?
Siapa?
So dia kalau ni dinding, dinding kat balcony tu, dia kalau ada dinding 9 inci. Jadi the wall tu, the light will shine on the wall lah. In the bounce of the wall. Kan, lighting ni.
Jam dah lah kita meeting 1 jam.
Nanti ini apa ni report bergambar. I like it. Itemize electrical macam tu. I want to put in the main report. Okay, that's good.
Cuma yang ni memang semua BIM besar memang saya kena. Tapi kita tahu Datuk punya BIM tengah-tengah tu dia dah kosong kan. Kita ada satu tempat tu kan.
Buat apa yang patut. You know your profession. Ini orang discuss pasal harga. Very important. Pasal finishing.
Another project.
Oh no, I want to put off. Kenapa kau cakap pasal lain?
Ada masuk kan tengah?
Dah masuk auto release. Masuk ni pasal dia bergurau saja. Okay.
Ini kontraktor yang untuk finisher saja.
Oh.
Because we are not
Anything finisher, I go to him.
Come, follow the leaders. Workers are very busy doing their works. Busy works. We're not going to disturb them. Come. Ada diorang kecil ke? Which beam? Oh,
RHS.
Originally kita ada grid kan, grider. Yang untuk sekarang ni kita tunjukkan yang ada unsur.
Kita boleh
okay, yang kita nampak ni, yang kita nampak actually dia gutter je, beam inside.
the beam is inside.
Inside. Yeah. Our beam cross beam will be cross. Crossing that one.
Sekarang akan ada kuning ada dua, kuning dia sebis ya.
That's the person who's followed by
Dia akan picat tau. Akan picat itu create concrete dig power dan assist pin yang casted yang lift to support the wall atas. Then power itu lift
ada tadi big drawing you show me.
ada small drawing. Ada big drawing lah. Ada aluminium itu aircon diffuser. Aluminium straight order. Okay. Kan?
Dia cakap banyak diffuser.
Diffuser. Power beam.
Atau you nak bincang pasal itu frame glass.
Frame glass.
Mana ni you come back after the
Come back ya. I mean come back ni hantar kamu hati sih. Dia kasih picture.
to me okay already.
Buat picture.
Ini VO ni banyak juga lah. Syarul, dia punya VO ni banyak Gelas ni.
Kelas. Saya dah masukkan ada satu yang portion yang besar.
Sampai 50,000.
Kelas apa?
Kurang 50,000. Takkan sampai 50,000.
Tengok saya.
Kan, it's on glass. Cannot be.
Kita square baru 200 lebih.
I think I saw 60,000 lah. Shouldn't be lah.
Minus or plus? Minus or plus?
Plus. Shouldn't be lah. Mahal sangat tu.
Kita nak tengok dia punya yang itu list order item.
12,000 dengan 2. Yang besar tu 12,000. Yang kecil tu 2,000.
Salah tengok kot.
50,000
Salah tengok figure.
Tak bawa dia punya ni. Tak bawa. Dengan printer.
Dekat office.
Okey lah.
Print out dekat office.
Betul 12.
Kalau ya. New glass window addition dengan
This will act as bursa saham di SKI. Later on, the student will learn how to have through their forex activities and also basis of money business.
oh cover Lingway 50,000
That one is structure and all that. Sebab yang luar tu pun dah 100,000. Tu 110,000 ni. Puas 100. Kalau dalam BQ tu puas 110,000. Yang atas ni 120,000.
Datuk, based on this discussion, kita ada yang untuk
Screen.
user ni kan. Semua kalau tak ada tulang, tak untung kan. Siapa nak responsible
Dia ada ni, dia ada beam tu.
Man.
Tu later lah.
Kontraktor cakap tak ada, Mengkon cakap tak ada masalah. Saya cakap saya nak pasang pun tak ada masalah. Untung saya tak tanggung.
Memanglah. Betul engineer lah. Ada bukan tak ada tulang, ada je.
Tak, dia kata nak straight.
Dia bukan aircon, diffuser je bang. Lembut je zinc.
Lembut.
Dia tak kena beam ke? Tak kena beam.
Sekarang bawah ada beam. Ada beam. Lepas tu kita keluar satu slab.
Yes.
Untuk batu duduk. Betul.
Yes.
Bawah dia akan ada kosong. Sekarang ni saya nak tahu beam
Pelak.
bila kita join boleh ke tak dengan batu ni?
Pelak kat slab boleh. The plucking.
Pelak apa?
Plug on the slab, join from the beam. Tak boleh sampai beam ke?
Memang sampai beam.
Sampai plucking tu with the beam. To the beam. Okay, why not?
Tak,
Apa nak patah?
Yang faham.
Kalau nak patah pun dia punya your equipment.
Ya.
Datuk. Diffuser tu kosong sampai ujung, takkan tak ada kompang untuk
Itu ada plug tu. Ada.
So,
Ini bila pecahkan nampak lah dia punya tempat nak plug tu.
ada sini kan, was ni. Dia kosong. So, kalau takut tanpa itu.
Contoh nanti dapat yang baru.
So, dia terus plug pada beam.
Puting nak. Kalau
Jadi dia wood support.
sini grill.
They're not really on the wall plugging tak. Diffuser tu dia plug on the beam. Beam is the support.
Engineer
Ini bukan engineer.
Beam is the not plug on the wall. Not plug on the wall. Itu kita later on kita discuss.
Kalau kat sini kita nampak. Sini dia nampak memang.
batu orang ni. Support lagi bawah.
Okey. Sekarang ini senang. Sekarang dia nak kita tambah sini. Sini ada batu. Kasi kau punya diffuser. Bawah ni aku punya batu ni daripada sini.
So support.
Aku nak tahu ni sebab batu ni tinggi. Aku takut sini patah. Itu ya aku boleh buat.
Ini bukan kebakaran Datuk.
Ini apa? Wall.
Ini beam.
Beam.
Okey, sekarang ni kita nak kas baru slab untuk letak batu sampai atas sana.
Buat cantilever lah.
Memanglah cantilever.
Masuk double bunk.
Sekarang ni, yang ni kita baru. Saya boleh masuk berapa dalam pun nak pun boleh masuk.
Then this diffuser will be on top of this.
Batu duduk akan kat sini.
Okay.
Dekat
Kemudian
bawah
diffuser?
dia punya diffuser.
Boleh.
Bawah diffuser dia.
Boleh. Bawah ni ada slab lagi kan?
Bawah
ada wall lagi kan?
diffuser dia.
Bawah dia middle ada wall support also kan? Sikit-sikit.
Bawah beam.
Bawah beam.
Tak ada apa-apa.
Tak ada. It's okay. Boleh. Kita nak tahu the load, the
Kita
load.
ingat bukan load dia. Load batu ni.
Atas semua.
Ini very light concrete, taken care of.
Oh. Jangan cakap
Very light concrete.
satu pellet berat.
Ya.
Satu pellet. Ini saya rasa
Oh, very light. Dia distribute UDL. You apa? Uniformly distributed. Jadi less. Dia bukan concentrate load.
saya boleh buat, saya tak ada masalah. Tapi kalau dia akan kalau dia
Let me do the calculation, okay? Ini calculation.
So, Datuk, itu beam boleh buang kan?
Mana?
Buang.
Nanti tu ini mau tampal lah atau wall lah tak
Buang
cantik.
boleh tak? Buang boleh tak?
Buat apa buang ini ada wall?
Cakap boleh buang. Sekarang tak boleh buang.
Tak, ini ada wall kan. Jadi flush dekat wall lah.
Ada wall boleh tak? Ada wall boleh tak?
Buat apa ni nanti bawah kosong?
Luar.
Ha? Apalah pening sangat kepala ni.
Okey.
This will apa ni security. Nanti kita flush it out. Kita tak nampak.
Ali.
So going to level 1 now. Mana Cik Nazrat? Sudah apa?
memang macam tu pellet. Ada drop. Oh, dia tutup dah nanti. Nampak lah. Nanti ala drop sikit lah.
You're on the level 1. Sekarang saya buat kapak benda ni. And toilets. Kapak toilets and passageway. Ni nak buat apa ni? Toilet lah. Tu also toilet. Oh, kapak. Only these 2 toilets. Okay. Oh, dia ada tangga sikit kan? Sikit. Dia ada drop. This around concourse of the lift. The toilets of the level 1. Last time there's no such thing prepared, but now we are adding to the structure.
Ceiling the socket dia about 2650. Okay. Finish. Kita punya part ceiling macam 2.7. Jadi because of that, at the moment lah kita sama ada at the moment kita dah hujung. First kita ada bagi proposal. Tapi this one ada suppose about 50 dia drop. Tapi akan nampak thin lah.
Ini pun kalau keluar dia
sama. So extensi ni ataupun
extensi apa ni? Ada tu. Tak apa. Nampak pun orang tak pasal dia punya pattern tu dah random kan. That's I think I keep saying that there's a beauty of the design. Any small embellishment like this can be easily disguised, you see? Kan? That's a good thing.
Disguised by the
Irregularity.
by irregularity.
You see? Kan?
Yeah, betul.
Although it's a very strange mix of regularity, order and disorder, you know, this building, you know.
Yes, that's the idea.
There's disorder, tapi is ordered, disordered. Orderly disorder.
Also, disorder. Yeah, whatever you name it, it will conceal lah.
There's some kind of contribution lah kan. Tapi the order comes from the
contribution to the beauty of
from the grid. You see, the grid is all modular. You can see, kan? All divisible by 300. You see, the grid. That is the modular. But then the disorder is because of the curve. You see, so you see, if you need to bend this, if the contractor set this out, lain sikit pun you won't notice. You won't notice.
This will be our fountain.
For children,
Dia boleh buat.
This big wall here, see. Big wall here. Small wall here for in the counter. Then I say, but be a wall here in the counter. So
yang we give in detail punya. This one jalan-jalan.
Bukan beli susu.
Awful lah.
Yang terkeluar dalam air itu kacau tu.
This will be our fountain, eh? Fountain. Ada fountain kan? Mr. Architect. Ada fountain. Ada fountain lah. Ada fountain. Ha. Fountain.
Itu landscape ke M&E tu? Is that landscape or M&E? Kena ada fountain lah.
That's why I mention it. Fountain ada. Kena ada motor apa-apa something like that. M&E rasanya. Ada tertinggal. Butir.
Kita ada sistem untuk ni untuk irrigation je.
Fountain tak ada.
Fountain
ada.
Satu lagi filter.
Untuk daripada air hujan. Ada sistem dia.
Ada.
Cik Noh dah design lah.
Dah design
Dah design.
Okay.
Irrigation system tu
tak macam diri KL gitu. Fountain.
Yalah.
dia memang ada
It's
satu
better,
takung,
Cik Alan.
ada 2 takung untuk filter. Lepas tu baru tank.
Kalau kolam je Cik Alan, jangan haraplah benda tu tak ada jentik-jentik.
Itulah memang.
Ya.
Memang kena ada.
Kena ada pump, ada filtration system.
Sebab air running water.
It has to be running water.
Sebab jentik-jentik tak hidup dalam ada arus.
Sebab jaga
UM pun kata
Kita apa possibility lah of apa ni minimizing all this problem. So we are on the ground floor now, going towards the meeting. It's a meeting. I'll take around from the building. We'll take around from the building in proper to make this report complete. Make one roundabout from right to left, anti-clockwise. This frontage on the right hand side. I again state here. This our right hand side is our existing Faculty of Business and Accountancy building. This is the level 1. This much houseworking house cleaning has been done, but something left we cannot do until the project is completely finished. We will have the adjoining ports here from the older building to the new building somewhere here. We are designing, finalizing the design, and we are going towards exit or the egress of the road, the building road, towards I'm really at the eastern part of the building now, portraying the video shot to the buildings. On our right hand side is our main library of University of Malaya. Housekeeping has been done on top floors, but left on the level 1. Not yet done. We're keeping it to the right moment to clean it. I'm now from northern side of the building. In front of us is the Faculty of Education and Syaran Ilmu. I'm making the wall for the building proper from outside. So I come to the cabin office where we operate functionally. This is from western side of the wing, western wing of the building. That's all for the time being, ladies and gentlemen, pretty ladies and handsome gentlemen, for my report site diary today. See you again. Bye-bye.